welcome back to the Great Point Adewunmi channel. My name is Joshua Adewunmi, and today I'm joined by a couple of my good friends. Introduce yourselves. I don't want to introduce you.
Joshua. I'm a junior mechanical engineering major.
Femi. I'm a senior industrial engineering major.
Okay. So the purpose of this video is the start of the school year, and we're trying to figure out ways to help freshmen, or if you're not in college, freshmen again, seventh graders, first graders, whoever watches this video. And we're trying to figure out ways for you to kind of go through the school year without burning out. And the worst thing you can do for yourself in school is to just go to school, come home, go to sleep, go back to school, come home. So we want to give you guys ideas of how you can create a routine outside of school, outside of the classroom. So the title of this video is More Than the Classroom. I don't know if I pointed it right, but it sounded like it was right. So more than the classroom, and we're trying to figure out ways to help you guys excel out of the classroom. So we came up with a number of things: clubs, work, volunteering, sports. One of my friends is a musician, so he's in the studio a lot. Community service, volunteering, exercising, and things of that nature. So I'm gonna let these guys do most of the talking in this video, expand on what they can help you guys with, and we'll start with Josh. Josh, you tell them what you can help them with, and hopefully you help them.
Alright, so right. For me, as an ME major, it's kind of tough. You're taking your classes like statics, statistics, thermo, DFQ, linear. If you're also taking a math minor like I am, so it's hard to go about things. One, you have to eat right, because if you're not eating right, you're not gonna stay healthy. And two, you have to get your body in shape, because I'm going to school doesn't mean I need to look like a bum. I need to not take care of myself. So personally, for me, I try to run an exercise program every day. And on Fridays, I do high intensive cardio where I play football with my boys. I'm a number 9, a prolific striker. So I have to score the goals. You see, they're laughing. Yesterday, Friday, I can't tell you how many goals I scored, but that's not for me to disclose. So yeah, if you're not working out, if you're not keeping your body in shape, so that's what we're doing now.
No.
That's what we're doing now. Okay. So if you're not keeping your body in shape, can't work out. And then also, you have to talk to people. I'm here with Femi. We're making this video. If I didn't know them, if I didn't talk to them, I won't have the community of people I could go talk to. Everybody goes through things. People are depressed. People need to let out steam. People need to talk to someone just so they can get things off their chest. You need friends. Yes, we came to the world alone, but you can't exactly succeed alone. Yeah. And even though you're succeeding alone, you don't have that sense of fulfillment. But if you and your team are winning, then it's a great time.
Also speaking of talking to people, mostly college is all about communication, trying to broaden your horizon. Because if you just come to college, just go to class and don't talk to anybody, then what's the hope when you come to college?
Yeah.
Because you come to college to meet different people, so you can pretty much have access to different things in the world. Because you might meet one person today that might lead you to, you finding a job in the future.
Yeah.
Or you might meet somebody in another day that might lead you to a whole different pathway. So it's just going to school, going to class. It's just not I'm just gonna go to class, just read my books. That's the key thing. But also talk to your classmates, trying to get to know different people, and trying to get to know different cultures and stuff.
That's what it's about. And then I'm sure you all are all familiar with the phrase "secure the bag." Even while you're in school, there's no reason why you shouldn't be making money. If you could find a job on the side, or if you could find an external legal means of making money,
Legal.
Yeah, then go for it. A lot of people are trying to get into the forex-based market. A lot of people still say, I just want to talk to people, so let me work at the library. Do it. If you can find space in your schedule, there's no reason why you shouldn't be putting an extra $200, $300 in your account a week or 2 weeks just because you can. Get a job if you can.
Yeah. And also if you have talent, also make use of the talent. I know a couple of people that one of my friends also a musician, and another friend of mine is a makeup artist, and she has a channel on YouTube. So if you have like different skills, just like practice that and just like make it into something like a side, kind of like a side hustle, but still like your school got to be number one. But then your skill has to be like something like you can just every day just kind of like get better at it over and over and over again.
And I will say one thing about school is it definitely clogs your mind. You know, all that information being fed into your head every day. If you don't have ways to, you know, expand your mind or do things that make you feel free or make you feel loose, you know, you're gonna be stuck in that school mentality. You're just gonna be everyday school. So just feeding back off what they said, join clubs, join organizations. You know, if you're engineering or if you're STEM, you know, find some STEM clubs to join, make friends there. You know, hopefully they'll connect you to other people that can help you in your career. You know, play sports, exercise. He says he exercises every day. You know, plays football. I was there. He didn't score. I don't know where he got that. I don't know where he got that from.
Oh my god!
But
see, you know, we can call people of it. Let's not be that guy. Look. Why don't you master 5 key passes and 2 assists?
Look, anyways,
your team won, fair enough. But who scored on my team?
Hey, I mean,
let's be guided.
My point is, you know, just do things outside of the classroom. Don't be stuck in a homeschool mentality, because you know it's gonna stress you out. You need to relieve that stress doing something else.
You will be worn out before the end of the school year.
Exactly.
And I'll say one thing: I missed all the things you're doing. Always learn to give back. Give back to your community. Go volunteer. Even though if you can't, you know, go out to clean or whatever. Give back clothes. Give out things you're not using. Give back to charity. It gives you that whole sense of fulfillment, because school is not just a physical thing. It's way more mental than people think.
Yeah.
If you're not sound mentally, you can't. Whether you do all the things we say, you're still gonna burn out.
True.
You have to get that sense of fulfillment, which will not let you be depressed, which will not let you be not mentally sound. Get your mentality up there, get your mental ability up there, and be mentally sound. So for me and all of them, I can speak on for all of them, because we all do it, even in our organizations and as individuals. We all try to give back. Maybe go clean up somewhere, dedicate some clothes, help people out, go to like the Lubbock high school, you know, teach people stuff.
Even the middle school or the elementary school too.
Yeah.
It's for your own fulfillment. It's for your own mental stability.
Exactly. Femi, do you have anything else to add to that?
Don't support Manchester United, right? Tell them.
Based on what he said, it's like, because I'm also in an organization, Great Point Adewunmi, which goes like to different schools and like mentor kids, because there are several kids out there that don't have any role model. So pretty much just seeing you every day and just like having like one-on-one conversation with you, or just playing basketball, or just like talking, or just like playing like board games or anything. It's just that little feeling that, oh, they have somebody as a mentor that's coming to see them. Is like every day, like they get that excitement, like, oh yeah, this my mentor coming in today. Yeah, we this is what we're gonna have planned. This is what we're gonna talk about. This is what we're gonna do. Even they might be going through some things and just want to talk to their mentor alone, and just you might have gone through it and just have like a way of answering the whole situation. It's just the little feeling, because if they talk to you, you also have a whole fulfillment, like, oh yeah, I'm having an impact in this kid's life, and then he's gonna go and do better thing in his life. So yeah,
that's what's about.
Yeah, and the happier you are outside the classroom, the better you do in the classroom. So, you know, it's not just doing things to do it. You're bringing it back to school, which is probably the most important thing in your life. Getting the grades and still being happy outside of the classroom. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Oh, and the last thing, just like he said, college life, school life, it actually stems off more than the classroom. If you're doing well outside the classroom, it will have a direct implication on what you're doing in the classroom. If I'm happy outside, I will take that same mental energy and focus on class. Now come on with my good grades. That's just what it is.
Yes, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Right now it's September, so the semester is just starting, or the school years are starting for many of us. So I hope you take whatever you learn from any of us into your school year enjoy your life in the classroom, enjoy your life outside the classroom, get the grades, have fun, exercise, work out, score goals, and hopefully in May or June, whenever your school ends, you'll be able to look back on this video and thank us for whatever we said that helped you out.
Also, sharpen your skills, whatever skill or talent that you have.